In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a presentation from the Gamma app in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to share your presentation with colleagues or save it for future reference, I'll guide you through the simple process to make this happen quickly and effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Gamma AI account. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Gamma website and enter your login credentials. Having your login information ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard with all your available presentations at your fingertips. Next, find the specific presentation you want to download. Browse through your list of presentations and click to open the one you have in mind. This step is essential because it ensures you're working with the correct presentation file, preventing any mix-ups later on. Once you've opened your presentation, take a moment to review it to confirm it's the right one. Now, direct your attention to the top right of the screen and click on the Share button. This is where you'll be able to access various options to share or download your presentation. Clicking Share will open a menu that provides multiple pathways to export or send your presentation file. It's important to follow along closely to ensure you select the correct options. With the Share menu open, look for the Export option and click on it. This option will allow you to save the presentation in a format that can be used outside of the Gamma app. It's a crucial step because exporting your file makes it accessible on other platforms and devices. Be sure to select this carefully to proceed to the next part of the process. Afterward, you will see the Export to PowerPoint option. Click on it to start the process of transferring your presentation into a PowerPoint format. This format is commonly used and widely accessible, ensuring that your presentation can be easily viewed and edited in applications like Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you've clicked on Export to PowerPoint, the transition from the Gamma app to a PowerPoint file begins seamlessly. Finally, the download should begin automatically within seconds. Conveniently, Gamma initiates the download process to your device right away, but if it doesn't start for some reason, don't worry. A button will appear that allows you to manually trigger the download. This makes sure you have a backup option in place, which is a fantastic feature for ensuring you get your file without any further delay. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully downloaded your presentation from the Gamma app as a PowerPoint file. This straightforward process allows you to manage your presentations effectively and enhances your ability to share and present them effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.